Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Continuing with the theme of modifying silk drops for hammock, today I'm going to teach you how to do the double diver. Although the wrapping is a lot easier, it's actually a more difficult drop on hammock than it is on silks, and in a moment I'll explain why. Before we get to that, if you're new here, my name's Brendan, I'm a physio based in Australia, and on this channel I make videos about all things aerial, so if you enjoy circus fun, subscribe and turn on the bell to become a member of our Circ fam. Alright, let's get started, and remember, you've got this. Start by making your way into sitting. There's lots of ways you can do this, but here I'm hooking both knees over the right silk and then pulling up to a seat. Then straddle invert and crochet both legs from the outside in. Bend one knee and sit up, followed by the other, and actively extend your legs to help as you pull up. Bring your shoulders through one at a time and re-grip with your thumbs facing down. Cross your hands to the opposite silk and then pull them apart so your shoulders have space to move back through the middle. Re-grip with your thumbs facing up. Straddle invert and hook your right leg over both silks. Reach up and then climb up above your knee using your leg extension to help. Holding on with your left hand, bring your right shoulder through so the hammock ends up in the middle of your back. Arch forwards, and then when you're ready to drop, let go of the pole end. Keep your arms in the middle on the first rotation so you don't collide with the silks, and make sure you control your second rotation. More on that in a sec. If this is your first time doing this drop, I recommend starting it in 2 stages. Drop, catch the pole ends, bring your shoulders through, and then drop again. What happens if you don't control the drop, especially on the second rotation? You'll spin out of control and it won't look very good. So how do you control this? Well, it's not as hard as you'd think, but it does take a little bit of practice. If we go back to a good example, you'll notice on the second rotation, I break at the waist, almost into a 90-degree position before straightening back out. This allows me to control the speed of the second rotation and reduce the spin out at the end. So as you can see, keeping your body straight gives you a lot less control over your speed. If you've made it this far and found the tutorial helpful, you can support the channel by giving this video a like. I really appreciate it. I'll leave another video here in case you haven't already seen it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys!